Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on iPhone 16. To change the lock screen wallpaper, swipe from the left top part of your screen to reveal the notification center, and then press and hold on the wallpaper, and you can switch between all of the wallpapers that have been added, or add a new wallpaper, or you can customize an existing wallpaper. I'm gonna add new wallpaper. Then you can choose your photo shuffle, live photo, emoji, or choose a wallpaper from here. So I'm gonna choose a planet wallpaper, for example this one. You can swipe between different styles. I'm gonna choose Saturn. You can adjust the top widget, for example. You can adjust the clock with its color. Here you can adjust these widgets. Let's add a battery widget. And you can also adjust these shortcuts. I'm gonna switch the flashlight to voice memo, and then let's click on add. You can either set it as wallpaper pair or customize the home screen. I'm gonna set it as wallpaper pair, and now you can see that I can quickly switch between these wallpapers like that. Press and hold to switch to the old wallpaper. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.